Hello, welcome back to Survival Sundays, and today we have this old Coleman camp stove. It's a white gas camp stove. Got it in 2012, like a lot of things I got, and I fired it up the other night, and then I cleaned it up yesterday, and today I'm going to show you how to operate it. These camp stoves are fantastic. The tech has been around for years, and it really hasn't changed that much. You can use Crown or Coleman camp fuel, liquid camp fuel in it. You can use, some people use kerosene, some people use gasoline. I haven't had to do that. So the only thing I've ever used in this stove is the Coleman and the Crown camp fuel. It's been great. It's been fantastic. The power goes out. I like to use that as an opportunity to fire the sucker up. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is show you how to use it. Okay, you got a latch here. Some people say this is a suitcase style camp stove. I don't know, maybe. Some people call it a lunchbox style camp stove. Here's the back part of your windscreen. And have two little, goes into a slot right here. Open it up, goes into a slot right there. Your grill or grate, stovetop can be removed. And then you have your fuel tank. All right, we're outside now and we're about to fire this thing up and show you exactly how to do it if you've never done it before. And this is the generator here. And when you fire it up, the flame from this primary burner here will heat this liquid up and turn it into a gas. And it'll burn better that way. And then here you have your secondary burner here. And this is the valve for the secondary burner. And it is, open it up, turn it left to open it up, turn it right to close it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And you want to have it closed when you fire up your primary burner. Everything's closed. Everything's good and closed. All right, we're about to fire it up. All right, so to fill it up, follow the instructions on the can. There you go. And I used to have a little funnel, but I don't have the little funnel anymore. I don't know what happened to it. So I'm using this funnel. It's a little bit bigger than what I want to use, but it will serve its purpose. All right, now we are going to pressurize the tank. And what we do to pressurize the tank is we unscrew this just a little bit, not a lot. We're going to keep our thumb on this little hole right here to make sure we do pressurize the tank. You make sure that this knob is closed, make sure that this lever is down, and make sure your fill cap is closed. So we'll undo it just a hair. And we'll pump it up about 30 times. All right, and then close it up. There we go. Now we're ready to insert the generator into the stove. All right, so here we have the fuel tank, and we're going to insert this. There's two little slots here. These two little tabs go into that hold it on there. And you want to close this, make sure that's down. We're going to insert the generator into this hole right here. Just like that. All right, you want to raise this like that. See, it's up now. And then you want to go ahead and fire it up, and then turn this open. I don't know if you can hear that. We have fire. And then what you want to do is you want to leave this up for about a minute. And there's instructions on the back of the stove here on your windscreen. Leave this up for about a minute, and then you can put it down. See, what it's doing is it's vaporizing that fuel. See, we have a nice blue flame. All right. Now let's light up the secondary burner. Go ahead and do an ignition. There we go. Let's crank it up some more. Let's turn this down. We may get some orange flame when we turn this down. We did not, but we have blue flame. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but we have blue flame. All right, it's about time for us to cook something on here. Stay tuned. All right, since this is Survival Sunday, we're gonna cook some Spam. And we're gonna boil some ramen noodles. My daughter loves ramen noodles. Two essential things, foods for a survival situation. So let's turn up the gas. To boil some water. Crank it up. Nice and sunny out here, so I don't know how well you can see everything, but Spam. Oh no. Can let me down. All right, so the tab on the Spam can broke, which is terrific. So we'll see what we can do. Can opener and camp knife. Look at there. This old Coleman camp knife coming in handy. Might help to slice it down a bit. This isn't a cooking show, so I'm no chef. I do like to eat though. This is not exactly how I usually cut Spam. Usually I cut it long ways, but it all eats the same. I'm not gonna use all of it. What we'll do is we'll fire up the secondary burner. Get your flame. Fire it up. There it goes. Increase the heat. That's full throttle. That's full open now. A little butter. I'm a believer in butter. Like I say, this isn't a cooking show. But it is fun to cook. And I'll cook all this up here in a minute. This is just a little bitty pan. Tell you what we could do. Could use our little emergency radio here for some tunes. Let's see, AM, FM. Just crank this sucker up. Looks like we're getting a little boil. We got some sunshine. Music. We got a little bowl going on. We got the Spam sizzling. Gonna make my daughter happy with some ramen noodles. And this is great in a survival situation. Ramen noodles are cheap, quick, easy. They're not very nutritious, but it's an easy meal when you're starving. When you're eating ramen noodles, make sure you keep your little season packet. This is chicken flavor. Can't seem to get away from Bon Jovi. Look at there. Browning some of this Spam. Look at that, would you? And this tech, this is some old tech for this stove. I mean, this is tried and true technology. You can't beat it. Let's find something else. Good old Spam likes to stick. That's why I threw the butter in there. This is Survival Sunday, and hey, survival foods. Got Spam and ramen noodles cooking on the old school Coleman camp stove. It's a liquid fuel, white gas stove, and it's been a winner. Hope you've enjoyed this episode of Survival Sunday. Do come back next time. We'll have some more fun stuff. Okay, do like and subscribe, and let me know what you like. Let me know what you want to see more of. Okay, have a wonderful day. Have a great week, and God bless. Hey, that's not bad. You want a bite?
Yeah. Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to taste it. Because it's too hot, you said.
Okay. We can let it cool off.
I like the chicken flavor.
You do?